All right, let's show you one last feature, conference calling. You may on occasion want to have a conference call from your Reach app, and if you need to do that, here's how conference calling works. Once again, I'm dialing my Reach app. I accept the call. I have an active call. My conference feature is in the second row next to Park. Simply press on the conference, and here's what's going to happen. I can do a few things. I could dial any outside party I want just by pressing 9. Again, in this dialing plan, I need to press 9 to get an outside party, and I'd press the number. In this case, to make things a little more quick, I'm going to just dial another extension, and I'm going to add that to my call. So I have my extension, I press conference. Notice now that I've got 2 calls in my queue on my Reach app. I've got the calling party, which is obviously my desk phone that I'm ringing, and then I've got my first call that's on hold. I go ahead and I pick up the other call on my desk phone. Now I'm ready to take that other party into my conference call simply by pressing the Merge Calls key. So now I've got 2 parties on my conference call. That's conference calling. If I wanted to add more parties, then I simply do the same thing. Or if I'm done, I can leave the conference by pressing the Leave Conference key. And now I'm down to just my single call.